Hello and welcome to my channel. This is an SDS Plus machine. This is one of the wee handy ones that you can use one-handed if you're up a ladder and whatnot for drilling little holes in masonry. But did you know that your SDS machine can do another thing for you? You can actually use an SDS machine to drive screws like this. Traditionally you would probably use something like this or a drill driver with the butt holder, etc. you know. But if you use a standard butt holder like this here, it'll just not work. But did you know you can get a butt holder with the SDS end on it? With the SDS Plus attachment. And with this butt holder, you can easily drive screws like that. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.